I've been living in Stowe for a month now, wishing there was a way to get to the bars and the fishing spots over in Bemus without having to drive back after. And I just realized this thing exists. Seen it while driving over the bridge today. Should be a fun evening in Bemus. All right, well, that's not a bad start. It's got a freaking tank. Crappy. That thing's solid 14 inches, at least 13. Not a bad day. All right, fish number 2 on the day. About a 15-inch largemouth. Show you all the complete chaos I'm catching fish in right now. This is like more crowded than the salmon run. Fun. Considering the complete and total chaos that I'm fishing in, I must say I'm having fun. Better believe we're jigging and watching the fireworks display at the same time. Yeah, that's hilarious.
He backed up real quick.